Impact Blue has worked on both of Aruba's plastic laws as well as that of assisted that of St. Martin. We have also conducted or been involved in 3 scientific studies on the topic of plastic and pollution, not to mention sharing our expertise for significantly curbing municipal solid waste. To date, together with laws that have been implemented by the government, we have prevented together close to 160 million single-use plastic bags from entering our environment and ocean. And to give an example of our impact, in the second law that was passed, an estimation has been made that 80 million styrofoam food boxes are no longer contributing to the creation of microplastics. In 2019, Impact Blue, represented by its director, the catalyst and motor of Impact Blue, Mr. Juliet Carvajal, had the unique opportunity to join expedition around the world, a scientific sailing mission with an all-female crew, studying the impact of plastics in oceans and on land. The land-based science partner of expedition is the University of Georgia and its Circular Assessment Protocol model, also known as CAP, world-renowned for its work on quantifying global figures on plastic. One of the goals of participating in expedition was to continue with the science learned on board. And so Impact Blue is very proud, with the pandemic in between, to welcome the University of Georgia to Aruba as a local partner.
The CAP study represents a transformative step towards understanding and implementing circular economy principles, which are crucial for sustainable development. At Aruba Bank, we do recognize the importance that financial institutions play in shaping a sustainable future. We are committed to support these principles, directly reflecting our own core pillars, being we care, we build, and we deliver. Our collaboration with University of Georgia and all partners involved in the CAP study is a testament to our dedication to innovation and sustainability. By assessing the impact of circular economy strategies, we are not just aiming for environmental conservation, but are paving the way for new economic opportunities that are both sustainable and inclusive.
So AHATA, the Aruba Hotel and Tourism Association, is very aware of the fact that in addition to the local residents having a high degree of consumption of products that we mostly import, we also have about 2 million visitors that come to the island every year, including from cruise ships or stayover visitors, that obviously also increase the local consumption of products that, again, we mostly import. So Aruba does need a solution for this circular solution for the waste that we do generate on this island. And AHATA is happy to be able to participate and endorse this particular study, not only because it's a first step in trying to find solutions for our waste, as we are a small island that has no current solutions for circular economy, but also because we appreciate the idea that we make policy and we make decisions based on data. So the first step in this particular process is to acquire data, to then build policy upon this data, which we support. And we look forward to taking part in this important study to find solutions for Aruba's waste.